Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Very good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Devender. Good morning, ma'am. Come.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Avni. Good morning, Mohit. Ah. Good morning, Kushi. Good morning. Kushi, good morning. Ayushman, good morning. Aishwarya, good morning. Shivansh, Mayank, Devender, good morning.
We didn't got the PDF of editing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I just want that if we are having any exams or like P1 or
Which exams, beta, are you talking about?
ma'am, like we all having that in May and half yearly
No,
like
no, that you are not having. You are having these Monday tests, no? So if
yes,
at
ma'am.
all there are 20, for example, there are 20 Monday tests, then I will add up all the Monday test result, see from that out of 20 how much you get. Okay.
Okay.
Mohit, what is shocking you? Mohit, what is shocking you? So I will add
I
up
was
all the
thinking that
marks.
there will be a separate exam.
No, no, that I will, yes. If the school reopens and you come, then we will have one 20 marks exam also. Right? From that 20 marks we will be sending. Actually, children, school has to send only 20 marks from school. That 20 marks we will take from three boards also. So that is your throughout the year performance which will be considered. Throughout the year performance. So that could be your half yearlies, it could be your board exams, it could be your periodic test, it could be all. Okay? So best ones will be considered. The best one will be considered.
And which question we have to do in the copy?
In English,
In notebook. Yes, ma'am.
English notebook,
That.
English
Yes, ma'am.
notebook, you have to do all the questions of the supplementary reader. The questions which are in between as well as the questions which are given after the chapter. The first part only,
Ma'am, that chapter is complete.
not the second part.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am,
yes, yes, Manan, बोलो.
ma'am, you are, ma'am, chief वाला chapter complete हो गया.
हाँ बेटा, तो कल आप कहाँ थे बेटा? It is.
मैम मेरे इधर का नेट मैम बिल्कुल वर्क नहीं कर रहा.
हाँ बेटा, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम इज एवरीवेयर. अभी बरसात होती है तो ज्यादा हो जाता है. When it rains, no.
मैम मुझे तो दिख भी नहीं रहा आप क्या करा रहे हैं.
ठीक है, इट्स ऑल राइट. कल मैंने स्टोरी नहीं कराई थी, एडिटिंग कराई थी, और वो एडिटिंग आप चाहेंगे आई विल सेंड यू. आई टोल्ड यू ऑल द आंसर्स. आई टोल्ड यू द
मैम आप कह रहे थे ना कि मैम वो आपने जो
रिवीजन कराऊंगी, डोंट वरी.
मैम बोर्ड पे जो आपने स्क्रीन शेयर की थी ना मेरे
बोर्ड की कौन सी
मैम वो जो एडिटिंग वाली जो स्क्रीन थी ना मैम वो पूरी ब्लैक दिख रही थी मेरे को, तो कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा था अंदर।
आपका नेटवर्क ठीक नहीं होगा। यू आस्क फ्रॉम सम फ्रेंड, किसी फ्रेंड से ले लो, नहीं तो मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप कर दूंगी, डोंट वरी, आई विल
हर
व्हाट्सएप।
5 मिनट में रिकनेक्ट।
हाँ, whenever the network goes, we all have to connect again. That is the problem, beta. I know that. All right. Yes, Avni, tell me. Avni.
Yes,
Avni,
ma'am.
बोलो बेटा। Avni,
Yes,
कुछ-
ma'am.
Yes, Avni, your hand is raised. You want to ask Shivansh?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your question?
Ma'am, we have to do this. Think about it. Also
The second part.
think about it.
No.
Yes,
Only
ma'am.
first stage of questions.
Ma'am, first is think about it,
हाँ, तो that
and
you
then
have to do.
second is talk about it.
Talk मत करो, think वाले करो सारे. Think about it. You please
Okay.
write in your notebook. Talk about. I have told you. मैं आपसे बात करूँगी उस पर. But you need not write, because what I want to tell you, children, is you will not get any question directly from your stories. They will be in their own words. तो वो देख लेना आप. चलो, there are 18 people today in class. Where are the other? I don't know. हाँ, चिराग बताइए. What is your question, चिराग?
Ma'am, you have sent eight chapters videos in group. So, ma'am, we have to do all answer, that question answer.
Which story, beta? We have done 2 stories so far.
No,
2
ma'am.
stories की है.
You have sent, ma'am, you have sent English reader 8. Ma'am, we have sent unit 3 units videos in our group. Hello.
I don't understand, beta. You call me and ask me. क्या पूछ रहे हो?
Okay, ma'am.
चिराग, क्या पूछ रहे हो? Clearly बोलो ना.
मैम, आपने ना इंग्लिश रीडर में 3 यूनिट के वीडियोस भेजे हैं.
क्या भेजे हैं?
मैम, आपने 3 यूनिट के वीडियोस भेजे हैं.
अच्छा,
तो हमको उन
ठीक है.
तीनों यूनिट के क्वेश्चन आंसर करने हैं कॉपी में.
हाँ, तो you do it yourself. Supplementary reader के questions can you write?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अगर आप नहीं लिखेंगे अपने
Yes,
आप,
ma'am.
you will not understand. देखो, you will not understand if you don't write
Yes,
yourself.
ma'am.
आप अपने आप लिखो, और they are given in your exam idea. They are given in net, Google, सब जगह दिए हुए, हर जगह दिए हुए. But you read from every platform. हर जगह से पढ़ो answers, but you write of your own. आप लिखेंगे अपने खुद के शब्दों में, so that it will be very easy for you. Yes, Shivansh, what is your answer? Question. Shivansh, why your hand is raised? Gauri, children, all of you switch on your screen. Screen switch on karo. Now we will today revise both the stories. Is it all right? For test we will revise both the stories. ठीक है? चलो. Let's start with the first story. That was a triumph of surgery. ठीक है? Simply, I am going to tell you the answers also. You just sit and listen. आप सिर्फ बैठो और सुनो. One thing. Secondly, if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. और please screen on करिए सभी. Switch on your screens. Switch on your screens. Yes. So children, first story is triumph of surgery. Who will tell me? Yes, Gauri. Gauri, what's your question, beta? Gauri. Gauri, can you listen me? Why your hand is raised? You can't hear, I think. Devilal, why you were so late? Why are you late, Devilal? Very bad. I say why you people are late, Devilal and Pramod. अब आप आ रहे हैं. Next time if you are late, I will not give you entry. मैं आपको entry नहीं दूंगी अगर आप late होते हैं. हाँ गौरी, you ask me question बेटा. Your hand is raised, Gauri. Gauri, I can't see you on screen. Is there any question or there's no network?
I have written in chat box.
And what?
Ma'am, please check chat box. Chat box.
Acha, network. ठीक है, it's all right. I thought you have some question. Now everybody just listen to me. So first story was triumph of surgery. Okay, surgery is here a hospital for animals, a veterinary hospital where animals are treated. Okay, what is surgery? I have told you. Ravi, ध्यान दो. Ravi Rajpurohit.
Please check chat box.
Ravi Rajpurohit, please take care. Write down what I am telling you. The questions will be from here only. What is surgery? What is triumph? English meaning of triumph is victory. Here, Mrs. Pamphre says that it is triumph of victory because she thought that her dog, that was Tricky. Tricky got well just because of surgery, because of treatment, not because of precautions. Whereas Tricky got well due to surgery. Sorry, not due to surgery, but due to treatment. Precautions, that is, right? Treatment of giving water, not any medicine, but giving lot of water and exercises. Okay? So, what type of person was Mrs. Pumphrey? Who will tell me? What type of person was Mrs. Pumphrey? Karthik, you are so late. Karthik, why you are so late? Pramod, आप भी late join किए हो, and you people have not switch on your cameras. I can't see you. Camera on करो सारे. All of you switch on your cameras. I can see you. Karthik, why you are late, beta?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Huh?
I was not getting
Try to be. Yes, Khushi. What's your question or answer? Khushi, what do you want to say?
network problem.
अच्छा, network problem. Okay. ये raise hands के ना symbol ऐसे ही बन रहे हैं. It's all right. अच्छा, गौरी का video not available. अच्छा. Okay, Gauri. I read your messages. Okay, there is network problem, of course. So, children, what type of person was Mrs. Pumphrey? Raise your hands. Who want to tell? What type of person was Mrs. Pumphrey? Who will tell me the question? What type of person was Mrs. Pumphrey? Who will tell? Anyone? Raise your hands. बताइए बेटा.
Ma'am, not audible.
अच्छा. I'm not audible. But did you listen to the question? Okay, I am telling you the answer also. Everybody listen. Mayank, ध्यान से सुनो. Mayank Tapadia and ये रवि सब ध्यान से सुनेंगे बेटा. Mrs. Pumphrey was a very rich person. Okay, she was obsessed with her dog and she used to feed him extra. And he was a very pampered dog. And he had a full wardrobe of his. He had tweed coats and he had different time eating bowls, and he had all his house, a beautiful house in a basket with nice blankets, and that dog was living a very lavish life, which was given by Mrs. Pamphray. And Mrs. Pamphray liked her dog so much that whenever he wanted to eat anything, she would feed him, and never say no to anything. She cannot refuse anything to her dog because she said it is very difficult for her to refuse him anything. So she was obsessed and over-liked. And you know, over thing of anything is bad. Overdoing of anything is bad. बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार भी बुरा है, बहुत ज़्यादा strictness भी बुरी है. So there should be a balance between the two. Whereas the dog had become so fat. The dog had become so fat that his exercise was he was not. Sometimes he used to. Yes.
Mute everyone. Mute
Yes,
everyone.
I am muting. Yes. So children, so everybody started getting.
मैम मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
It will come, beta. It will come. Now you can hear to me?
No मैम.
No. आप देखो.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No मैम. Yes मैम.
Really,
Yes, ma'am.
don't tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
If I am audible, if PC is all right, this laptop is all right, network is all right. If one can listen to me, that means everything is all right. The problem is, Devender, all right. The problem is with your network, then if you cannot hear me, because others are able to hear me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, now coming to the veterinary doctor. What was the name of veterinary doctor?
Mr. Harriet, James Harriet.
James Harriet was the doctor, James Harriet, and he was a writer, journalist, as well as veterinary person. He was a veterinary doctor also, right? So James Harriet is a very tactful person. Is he very rich? There is a question like that. No, he is not rich, but he is all right. Because if he would have been rich, then he would have not, cherished or liked, or he would not find eggs, wine, etc. divine. The people at surgery used to love the pre-breakfast and the afternoon drink and the night drink and all sort of things which were sent for a dog were liked by the surgeon people and the surgery people. That is very fictitious actually, but that is given in the story. And he was not that rich, this tells us, but he was damn tactful person. He was damn intelligent, and he knew how to handle clients like Mrs. Pamphray. She knew how to handle clients like Mrs. Pamphray and how to handle dogs like Devi Lal. See, he is coming now. So, children, tomorrow onwards, if you come late, I will not allow you. I will not allow you to come late. That's it. Because it is not good that half of the class is done. Yes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, children, this is the story, and what happens, why the doctor, veterinary doctor, wanted to make Tricky a permanent guest. What is that for? What does that mean? That he wanted to make Tricky permanent guest. Yes, Shivansh? What you want to say?
Ma'am,
Shivansh,
answer.
unmute yourself and ask.
Ma'am, answer.
Shivansh?
Ma'am, answer of this.
Okay. Acha, you want to
Hello.
answer? Yes, Shivansh, you answer.
Hello.
You answer,
Yes, ma'am.
Shivansh. Why
Ma'am,
you
because
wanted to make him
ma'am,
permanent guest?
ma'am, because he was getting too many things that he is not able to afford, that like brandy and
Brandy,
2 dozens of
wine,
eggs.
yes, and eggs, dozens of boiled eggs.
Yes, ma'am. That's why he wanted Tricky to be his permanent
Yes,
guest, so
but
that he get all the things.
very good. But did he make him permanent? No.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why? What is the reason now that he did not make
Ma'am,
him
because he
permanent?
thought, that Mrs. Humphrey will be not happy and not
Very
able to live
good.
without Tricky.
Yes, his mistress, that is Mrs. Pumphrey, will be very upset, and she will not be able to live without. So after 15 days, after 2 weeks, he says that the dog is all right, and he allows her to come and fetch him. Usko le jaane ke liye kehta hai. So she comes. So is Tricky happy to go home?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
Tricky happy to go
Yes,
home?
ma'am.
Huh?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Tricky is very happy to go home. This is shown by Tricky is jumping on Mrs. Pumphrey, licking her face and
Licking her
wagging his tail, and he was very happy, and he jumped and okay. And how did Tricky adjust with the dogs in the surgery? How did Tricky adjust with the dogs in the surgery? Who will like to answer this except Shivansh? Any other child? How did Tricky become adjustable with other dogs? Khushi, Tricky कैसे adjust हुआ other dogs से? Yes, Khushi, tell me please.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Beta, Tricky, how did he adjust with the dogs in surgery?
Ma'am, he used to play.
Yes.
He used to play with them.
First 2 days, you will start from the beginning. First 2 days, he did not take interest
First
in
2
anything.
days. And next day he came and licked the empty bowls of the other dogs.
Other dogs,
Then
very
he
good. Yes.
then narrator realized that he is taking interest, and then afterwards he started giving him a bowl of food, and then he enjoyed playing with other
Very
dogs.
good. It is not bowl, you will say bowl. हम लोग पहले bowl बोलते थे, now everybody has started, it is all matter of style. So correct, I think pronunciation is bowl. Huh? So next he started running also with the dogs, isn't it? Did you see?
Yes,
he
ma'am.
started running with the dogs,
Yes,
running, jumping, and dashing.
Playing.
All he started doing that, isn't it? He started
Yeah,
running,
again.
dashing with other dogs. Sometimes he was flattened by them, and he started enjoying their company.
Yes, ma'am.
And he started playing games with them, and he started competing with them. और compete करने से क्या हुआ? Compete करने से क्या हुआ कि he started taking interest, and he became a very lanky and muscled animal. He became a very lanky and muscled animal. Okay. So yes, and next question is why? Okay, we have almost completed. So what is the moral of the story? Who will tell me the moral of the story? Moral of the story? Yes, Madhusudan, you on your camera, switch on. Madhusudan बेटा on करो कैमरा. हाँ, अब सीधे से बैठ जाओ. लेट गया था. क्यों? यहाँ डांस चल रहा है. ऐसे लेट गए हो आप. Now tell me, what is the moral of the story? सोच के बताओ आराम से. You can answer. Very good. आप मॉरल क्या लिखोगे? स्टोरी से हमें क्या लेसन मिलता है? डॉग वाले स्टोरी से ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी। आराम से बताओ, हिंदी में सोचो, ट्रांसलेट करो।
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी।
अच्छा, आवाज नहीं आ रही? अभी तक तो नहीं बताया था तुमने, मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा तो तुम्हें आवाज आना बंद हो गई। मधुसूदन, आपको अपना नाम फिर
हेलो।
अच्छा, मधुसूदन, यू कैन हियर मी? कैन यू हियर?
नो मैम।
नो मैम, बिल्कुल राइट प्लेस पे आप आंसर दे रहे हो। वैसे मैं क्वेश्चन खत्म कर वही पे
now I can hear.
हाँ, now you can hear. So now you answer. What is the moral of the story? सोच के बताओ, you can answer. Don't be afraid, डरो नहीं। Yes. मॉरल क्या है भाई? उस स्टोरी से तुम्हें क्या सीख मिली? पहले हिंदी में सोचो कि एक डॉग को उसकी मालकिन हद से ज्यादा प्यार करके उसकी तबीयत खराब कर दी है ना, यही है। तो क्या हमें सीख मिली कि हमें हद से ज्यादा प्यार नहीं करना चाहिए?
Do not love and fight with anyone very much.
We should not love or fight with anyone too much. इसको हम ऐसे कह सकते
Yes, ma'am.
हैं, excess of everything is bad. कह सकते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Excess of everything is bad. ये मोरल है।
हद से ज्यादा।
इसकी भी ज्यादती बुरी है, ठीक है? So what happens with you, Madhusudan? Are you loved too much at home or you are strictly taken by your parents?
Ma'am, middle.
Middle? Very good.
Yes,
a
ma'am.
balance of everything. Not you will say middle, but you will say it is a balance. So it is a story for all the kids to understand in class 10 that parents should be in a balance with you. And if they are not, it's all right. But you should understand that it should be in balance. See, so you should also behave in balance. ना आप ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करो मम्मी पापा को कि you are always hugging them and be with them and not working hard. You are with them. ये भी नहीं करना चाहिए और ऐसे भी नहीं कि you stop talking. आप उनसे बात करना ही बंद कर देते हो, तो ये भी नहीं होना चाहिए. There should be balance in all the relation, whether it is friendship. आंख बंद करके friendship भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Excess of everything is bad. Enmity हो या amiability हो, that is your friendship. Excess of everything is bad. ऐसे ही excess of eating some favorite dishes only की चीज ही खाना है, पनीर ही खाना है, that is also bad. Vegetable have to be balanced. So children, first story we have done properly. Second story पे आ जाते हैं, thief story. ठीक है?
Yes.
अब ये thief story में मुझे कौन बताएगा दो कैरेक्टर्स कौन है, उनकी एज क्या है? What is their age? Who are the two characters? Chirag. I want Chirag to answer. Chirag कहाँ हो? Yes, Chirag.
Ma'am, the two characters in this story are Hari Singh and Anil. Hari Singh was 15-year-old and Anil is 25-year-old.
Very good. And what are their professions, beta, Chirag?
Ma'am, Hari Singh was a thief and Anil was a writer.
Very good. God bless you. Very good. You all are doing well. So, Avni. अभी अवनी बताएगी कि how did the two character meet in the story. अवनी, कैमरा ऑन कर लो बेटा. अवनी, कैमरा ऑन करो. Very good. You tell me. Tell me. How did they meet? Where did they meet? Yes.
Ma'am, they meet in the station as a roommate.
No. Wrestling का था कुछ याद करो. They met at wrestling place.
Wrestling man.
Yes, Avni. They met at wrestling place. Okay. Wrestling में meet किए थे. And who started talking first? Who will tell me?
Hari Singh.
Hari Singh. And Hari Singh told that he wanted to work for Anil. So what did Anil say? That he cannot pay him. What did Anil say? That he cannot pay him. है ना? उसने यही कहा कि I cannot pay you. Yes. Can't you know the answer? So Anil Singh said that I want to work for you. Sorry, Hari Singh said. And Anil said, I cannot pay you. So what was the deal? Deal क्या थी? Who will tell me?
I know.
हाँ, चिराग तुम बताओ. चिराग, what was the deal?
Ma'am, Hari Singh will cook for Anil, and Anil will give food to Hari Singh.
Shabash. Very good. God bless. Awesome. You people know all the answers. So you are going to do very well in Monday test. And also I want that you take care of grammar. ग्रामर का ध्यान रखिए. अगर पास्ट का क्वेश्चन है, डिड है, सारे वर्ब को क्वेश्चन लिखने के बाद पास्ट में देख लीजिए है कि नहीं. अगर प्रेजेंट का क्वेश्चन है तो प्रेजेंट में, और हु है तो सिर्फ नेम चेंज होगा. ऐसे करके ध्यान से करेंगे. मॉरल वगैरह आपको नहीं आता इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में सोचो, उसको अच्छी तरह से इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करो एंड राइट क्विकली. एंड यू विल हैव 2-3 एडिटिंग पैसेज आल्सो इन टेस्ट. तो एडिटिंग का भी देख लेना. टेंसेस देखते हैं, वर्ब देखते हैं, प्रोनाउंस देखते हैं, एग्रीमेंट ऑफ वर्ब करते हैं. ये सारी चीजें करते करते आपको पता चल जाता है वेयर इज द मिस्टेक. सो वेरी गुड. सो दैट वाज देयर डील. देन व्हाट हैपेंड वन डे? डिड Hari steal from Anil in the beginning of 1 month? 1 month?
No, ma'am.
No. All you unmute and you just talk with me. We will have an interactive class. Don't shout, but simply you can talk. So क्या होता है बेटा? That Anil was not robbed by Hari Singh in the first month, but every day he used to pick out 1 rupee. From where? From where?
Then he go for
Vegetables and grocery budget. You will write vegetable and grocery budget. Vegetable और grocery budget से वो 1 rupee लेता था daily. And did Anil know that? It is not told in the story, but Hari says that. Hari says that Anil knew it, but he did not mind. उसको पता था लेकिन उसने ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया. उसने इसका objection नहीं लिया. उसने क्यों कुछ नहीं कहा. When he was taking 1 rupee, Anil did not say anything. He did not seem to be minding that. ऐसा लगा नहीं कि उसको कुछ mind कर रहा है, वो उसको objection ले रहा है. ऐसा लगा नहीं. Then what happened one day? How did Anil get a bundle of notes? Anyone?
600 rupees.
How did Anil get a bundle of notes? Anyone? Anyone? Answer anyone?
He sold a book.
Yes.
He sold his book.
By selling a book. By selling a book to whom? Whom? Publisher. किसको बेच के मिला?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Publisher. Yes, ma'am.
And in the end, we come to know how many rupees were there.
600.
600 rupees.
In the notes of
50.
50. So how many notes will be there, Aishwarya?
12.
Aishwarya?
12.
Very good. 600 divided by 5, that is 3. So it will be,
Madhusudan Aishwarya.
divided by
50.
should be 50, 5. So 605 is how many notes? 12. Is it so? Yes. 5 12s are 60. ऐसा है क्या? हाँ.
50
ma'am.
Yes. So let us not go into the mathematics part. My brain stops working when it comes to mathematics. Anyways, children, chalo, jokes apart. It's joke. So yes, one night what happened? How did the idea of stealing money came to Hari Singh? Think and tell me. Raise your hands now. Don't speak, raise your hands. How did the idea of stealing money came to Hari Singh's mind? Yes, Mohit, batao. Mohit.
Ma'am, one day Hari Singh thought see that Anil was keeping the money under his bed sheet.
Yes.
And then he thought he can easily steal it.
What? He will get?
He can
We can?
steal it.
No. He was having, see, Mohit, I want to tell you one thing, Mohit, that child, he had the key, house key with him. So he could steal any day. That day only why that idea struck him. उसी दिन क्यों उसको लगा? Why did the idea struck
Ma'am,
him that?
Hey,
Because he want
ma'am,
to
because
get the
from 1 month he didn't steal anything.
Steal. That is very good. From 1 month he didn't steal, but children,
Anything.
from 1 month he didn't steal. शिवांश कहाँ बाहर चला गया था? From 1 month he didn't steal. ठीक है?
Anything.
हाँ. And also he thought that the money will be wasted on the friends. He thought that Manan, यही question आएगा Manan. So what happened is that he thought that next day anyway he is going to waste that money on his friends. Moreover, the most important point is he said that he was not paid from 1 month. He thought that he was not paid from 1 month. So he stole the money and ran to which place?
Railway station.
Yes. So where
Railway
the story said.
मोबाइल में चार्ज खत्म हो गया.
लाउडली मोबाइल में चार्ज, तो मोबाइल चार्ज करके बैठो, अभी हिंदी भी है. तो द स्टोरी इज सेट इन उत्तर प्रदेश, लखनऊ में स्टोरी सेट है. क्यों? बिकॉज ही सेज दैट ही वेंट टू लखनऊ स्टेशन. तो यूपी की है स्टोरी, ठीक है. सो ही रैन टू लखनऊ.
दिल्ली की है.
नो
दिल्ली की है.
अरे तो फिर वो लखनऊ स्टेशन कैसे जाता है?
No, ma'am, express to
Lucknow Express.
Lucknow Express.
Got it. Very good. Okay. So he goes for the Lucknow Express, which was going to Delhi or which was going to Lucknow, right? So what happened that time? How did the note get wet? How did the notes get wet?
Ma'am,
because of rain.
Because of the
because
rain.
of the rain.
Because of lot of rainfall at night. First it was
Light rain.
and then it was heavy rain and his clothes got stuck. Where did Hari keep his money?
Under his
Below his pillow.
No.
No, ma'am.
tied in his pajamas.
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 Pajamas. How
Tied.
did he keep the money in the pajamas?
Tied.
Tied in his
the
string.
money.
Tied on his
Why?
waist. Tied at his waist. Tied at his waist with the strings of pajama. The notes got wet. And why did he come back? Last question. Why did he come back?
Ma'am, because he don't want to broke on his
And because
trust.
he realized
He said that
that
there are different
realized that,
people. I'll tell you, chalo, meeting is going to be over. He thought there are different type of people. The rich, they will be angry when they are robbed. The poor, they accept the loss. The greedy become frightened. But Anil will be sad because he will think that his trust is broken. So he did not want to, and above all, he thought that Anil was teaching him how to write and read and full sentences. And he thought stealing and getting money irregularly is not good. But to be a respectable man, he wanted to read and write. And he thought that when he will become literate, educated person, then his opportunities will grow. And he can become a respectable person. So thinking all that, and he didn't know anybody in the city, and he didn't want to break the trust, and he came back to the house, kept the money. Did Anil come to know about the theft? Did Anil come
Yes.
to know?
Yes, ma'am.
Because a note was very wet.
notes were
Very wet.
It was very wet. So he gave
Charger.
50 rupees.
I think.
50 rupees, this boy Hari Singh, and he
Oh, Hari
said
Singh,
that
Hari
now
Singh.
he will be paid regularly.
Regularly.
Paid regularly. Okay.
Regularly.
So bye bye. Prepare.
Bye, ma'am.
All the best for your test. Write very nicely. I will show you.
Bye bye.
my-
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day,
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, bye.
Bye,
Nice day.
ma'am.
Nice day to you also.
Thank you, ma'am.
अरे चार्जर दो ना.